everything that you can buy in the local supermarket, I can guarantee there's going to be at least one article on love. You can buy a magazine or motorcycle riding, there's going to be an article on love. You can buy a magazine about guns, there's going to be at least one article about love. You can buy a magazine on how to interior decorate your home. I can guarantee there's going to be at least one article about love. Why? Because everything we do, every endeavor we involve ourselves with, we're looking for what? How to love and to be loved. You see, your emotion, you're an emotional being. You're an emotional creature. So part of that emotion is 5 areas that I want to emphasize. See, you want words of affirmation. Everybody wants to be affirmed. Good job. That's when you did a good job. That was good. That was nice. You did very well. That means you want to be loved. You want to be affirmed. Nobody wants to be put down. Every sister that I've counseled that's been abused by a man, that's been taken advantage of by a man, that's been violated by a man, because they opened their heart to that man, and that man tricked them and did not love them any longer, did not affirm them, did not build them up or tore them down. There was a phrase that I remember that was told me all my life. You'll never amount to nothing. The older you get, the dumber you get. Why are you so stupid? Can't you do anything right? Those words were told me. Then as a result, I kept failing in life. Kept failing. But until I found Jesus Christ, until I found love, Jesus began to affirm me. He began to say, well, you're the head and not the what? Tail. You're above and not what? Beneath. You are the righteousness of God in Christ Jesus. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. And every tongue that rises up against you, you will condemn it. He began to affirm me. He began to affirm you. Everybody wants affirmation. Number 2. Come here, Omar. Give me some. Number 2 is physical touch. All I did was give him a high five or a fist bump. Our president did that with his wife. They didn't understand. He did it on the stage. That was like he gave his wife a hug. He physically touched her. He physically loved her with a fist bump. And he got a little black over there. But see, they don't understand. These people that want to be loved want to be touched. It's when somebody touches you the wrong way, it's when you don't feel love. When somebody violates your body, you don't feel love. Have you ever met somebody that don't want to be touched? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. No. That person has been violated. See, we have what is called 5 love languages. Affirmation, physical touch, acts of service, quality time, and receiving gifts. Everybody has a love language. Dr. Gary Chapman wrote a book, The 5 Love Languages, and he primarily wrote this book for married couples and those who were designed to be married.